Yeah, this coronavirus is crazy, man. About to take this tractor down to El Centro, California, thanks to the first responders, the doctors, the nurses, but people cannot forget the truck drivers. It's 7:05. You're welcome. Yeah, so
7:05.
yeah, so people can't forget about the truck drivers, you know. We bring food across America, cold food, hot food, and hazardous materials. So everybody forgets about the truck drivers, but you gotta thank everybody that makes America go around. You know what I'm saying? All right, you guys, take care, be blessed, wear your gloves, wear your mask, and stay safe from this coronavirus. Peace.